Introducing the redesigned Ideal Pase Automatic 4-Head Net Weight Filling Solution for Plastic Pails. Compelling machine features include large color touchscreen HMI, lighted push buttons for mechanical machine control, motorized pail and feed section with integrated pail handle guides, integrated fill tank flush trough for footprint-saving clean-in-place station. Ideal Pase's innovative direct fill system for fast and clean gravity-based filling. Integrated automatic lid storage, lid orientation, and lid placement subsystem. Followed by our automatic powered roller closer deck for consistent sealing of plastic lids. All these innovative and production-proven features make the Ideal Pase 4-Head Auto Net Weight Pail Filling Machine an industry favorite. Now let's take a closer look at the machine operation. Stacks of pails are loaded onto the litter in feed conveyor. Each lid stack is automatically raised up to the first lid pull station. The first lid on the stack is pulled and bung oriented before being placed on the lid chute station. Next, this same lid is released to slide down the lid slide and have one of its edge in a position to catch the leading edge of the filled pail and drop in place. This filling machine transports empty pails via a separate in feed, then laterally moves them simultaneously to the 4 filling scales for filling. Then laterally moves them again off the scales after filling, moving a new set of 4 empty pails onto the filling scales, ensuring the filling machine is always filling and minimizing pail transport times. After the fill step, filled pails are transported to the lidding station where lids are pre-staged to catch the leading edge of the filled pails and drop down to cover the filled pail, ensuring all lids are placed with correct and consistent lid spout orientation. After lidding, the filled pails are transported to the powered roller deck for reliable, robust, and uniform closing. This Ideal Pase 4-Head Pail Filling Machine features an integrated flushing station. The motorized DFS unit moves forward and backward on a short track. Moving backward, it is auto-positioned over the integrated flush tank. The fill tank can be flushed out quickly for fast batch changeovers. For automatic net weight filling of plastic pails, the Ideal Pase filling, lidding, and lid sealing solution has all the features and functionality required to upgrade your pail filling operation. Please contact your regional Ideal Pase sales representative for more information or to receive a budgetary quote on this exceptional pail filling solution.